Hello and welcome back everyone to a new video. So in today's video I will show you how can you actually draw a shaker or some cylindrical jars or something. So for a circle, like for a cylinder we need a square. So I already explained how can you actually draw a perfect square in isometric view. So do check out the video. So once you draw this square, now just find out the center point. Right now I'm making the lines slightly light so I can make the final lines a little bit darker. Now try to place a circle inside this space. So it will take you some time to get a nice circle. So you can try 3 foot rough lines and you can finalize your final circle. Now we need to repeat the same circle uh, for thickness, and even if you want to reduce the size, like if you want to make the bottom part slightly taper, then just keep the angle same and reduce the overall circle's width. So right now at the bottom, I'm just it's a smaller circle. So now I will connect this with slightly curved line. So I'm actually making a shaker. So the top part for the center lid, I'm just slightly adding some grave to this. Like now I'm adding this top part of the shaker. So I'm making it very simple. So if you want, this is basically the technique. So once you understand the technique, then definitely you can apply the technique to get very nice results. So now I also need to show this opening point of this shaker. So again, for that we need to draw, like you can add a small circle and also add some height. Same, you need to repeat the same circle on the top part, so they will fit each other exactly. Also you need to also keep the size same of the circle and the opening part of the shaker. Now using the similar technique, not only shaker, you can also create very interesting products, cylindrical products. So for a bottle, or you can even show different part of the shaker by just opening it. Now for the height, I'm just adding one side is curved, so definitely the other side will be also look curved. So just add curved lines on both sides. Now from the center line, you need to keep the both sides symmetrical. That is very important. So now if you want to add a handle or something, generally shaker do not have any handle, but just in case, if you want to add some extra details, so you can put it on this side. So it should be also exactly in the center. You can't randomly put anywhere. So if you see the guideline that is on the side, so I just take the width exactly from the side, means from the center line, equally on both sides from the center line. Now just I'm making this line slightly darker so you can see the line, means the product, in better way. Also by adding some hatching lines or shading, you can make your final product looks very interesting. So even if you want, you can also color it. So before color, I will suggest you to try or draw some variations of the same product. You can use or show different angles of the same products. So you will get a variety, and later on you can choose the best design out of all the sketches. Now I'm adding some thickness to this part. So even if you remove the top part, like uh, the cap, then it will look like a cup or something. You can convert to a coffee cup or something. And let's now make a jug or something. So same, first we need a square, so we can make circle inside this. So this is the technique. You can draw a horizontal line and vertical line and find out the center by just joining this corner. So, and extend the line. This is very important. So you can, if you want to make the bottom taper or wider, so you can repeat the same thing. So in this case I will keep the size almost same, like cylindrical. Slightly maybe you can reduce the bottom part, not too much. Now I will add a handle and the opening part. In a jug, if you see, the front part is slightly, for pouring water or some liquid. You will see kind of a nozzle kind of thing. So we will try to draw this. So see, this is the center line, and we need to draw exactly on this part, not any other side. Means you can change the direction. I'm making on the left side, you can make it on right, but you need to follow the center line. That is important. So just slightly extend this. Now you can decide the width of the front part. So you can just join this to two. I already draw this two guidelines, that is exactly equal distance from the center line. Now once you decide this, or once you draw this it's like a triangle kind of shape, and we can decide the height. So slightly add a diagonal line, and we can make this part join to the side part with side slightly with a curved line. Okay, and now we can add some the inside part will be visible here, and on the same angle or same width we can actually add a handle on the back side. So handle can be straight, curve, depends. So I will just extend these two lines. Now I'm adding a guideline, and the width going to be similar. So first curve line, not a problem. Now we need to follow the same curve, that is important. So just add a guideline and repeat the same curve on the other side. So this way you can maintain the thickness, that is important. Also, if you're enjoying the video, just do like this video and subscribe to my channel if you are new to my channel. Also, if you like to share this video to someone who wants to learn product designing or something related to perspective, just you can forward, or you can share this video. That will be helpful. Now by just adding some lines, hatching lines, I will finish this. So this is how you can actually make very interesting products, cylindrical products, and you can make some utensils, pan, cup, or common things that you use in daily life. So slightly also do practice, so that way your lines will look very confident, and definitely the more you practice, the better your product will look. Now I will add some bottom line, that is, this is generally product designer use sometime to present their products. So I'm adding a shadow, so there is slight gap between the product and the shadow, so it's like slightly on the air, floating kind of thing. So it's up to you, like you can place on top of a wood, or on top of some table or something, or you can just place or add some shadow, so it will look rounded. Here also I'm adding some hatching lines. So this is, if you see, the bottom part is actually tapered. So when you add some highlight or this kind of shadow or something, just make the bottom part taper in that case also. So do not maintain the same thickness overall. So you need to flow, you need to create all the lines according to the product. If your product is cylindrical, then you can maintain the equal thickness, but if your product is conical or tapered on one side, so even if it's curve, so you need to maintain the curve also. So that's it. So thank you so much. See you soon in the new video. Take care and goodbye.